When you step into Malawi, you're not just entering another African country. You're entering what locals proudly call the warm heart of Africa. This small but diverse nation earns that title not only because of its famously friendly people, but also because of the warmth of its landscapes. Rolling highlands, glistening waters, thriving wildlife reserves, and villages where smiles are as abundant as the sun. What makes Malawi unique is its blend of scale and intimacy. Tourism here is still developing, which means fewer crowds and a more authentic connection with people and place. So, join us on this journey as we count down the top 15 places to visit in Malawi, uncovering its wild beauty, rich traditions, and unforgettable charm. Number 15. Lilongwe, the capital city. Malawi's capital, Lilongwe, may not have the grandeur of Nairobi or the bustle of Lagos, but it possesses a laid-back charm and a fascinating dual character. The old town of Lilongwe is where life beats to a traditional rhythm. Its markets are a swirl of activity, stalls piled high with maize, cassava and dried fish, fabrics dyed in bold prints, and street vendors calling out their wares. Walking through here is an immersion into everyday Malawian life. The sounds, the colours, and the scents together create a sensory adventure that feels authentic and unfiltered. By contrast, the modern new city is more orderly, with embassies, shopping malls, and office blocks spread out among leafy boulevards. The area reflects Malawi's growing aspirations and its balance between tradition and modernity. Lilongwe is often the gateway to the rest of the country, but it rewards those who linger. It offers a microcosm of Malawi itself, rooted in heritage yet reaching for the future. Number 14. Zomba Plateau. Once the colonial capital of Malawi, Zomba is set at the foot of a remarkable plateau that rises dramatically from the plains. The Zomba Plateau is cloaked in forests of cedar, pine, and eucalyptus. Streams trickle through valleys, creating waterfalls that sparkle in the sunlight. From viewpoints like Emperor's View and Queen's View, you can gaze over southern Malawi's vast landscape, dotted with villages, fields, and faraway mountains. The vistas are breathtaking and constantly shifting with the light. The cool climate here made Zomba a favorite retreat for colonial officials, and remnants of that history remain in the architecture of the town. But today, Zomba is equally loved by hikers and nature lovers. Walking trails lead through the forests, past streams, and up to viewpoints where eagles soar overhead. The plateau is more than a geological feature. It's a living sanctuary of peace and natural splendor, offering contrast to Malawi's warmer lowlands. Number 13. Likoma Island. Set in the middle of Lake Malawi, Likoma Island is a tiny gem with a big personality. Despite being Malawian territory, it lies closer to Mozambique's shores, giving it an air of remoteness and exclusivity. St. Peter's Cathedral, the island's most striking landmark, is St. Peter's Cathedral, one of the largest churches in Africa, built by missionaries in the early 20th century. Its imposing size feels almost surreal against the backdrop of a small, quiet island. Inside, the cathedral's stone walls and stained glass offer a glimpse into Malawi's missionary history. Beyond the cathedral, Likoma is pure island paradise. Sandy beaches fringe its coastline, dotted with baobab trees and traditional fishing boats. The water is crystal clear, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking. Despite its beauty, Likoma remains largely undeveloped, with just a handful of eco-lodges and guest houses. This makes it an ideal escape for those seeking serenity and authenticity. On Likoma, you'll find a rhythm dictated not by clocks, but by the sunrise, the fishing nets, and the gentle lap of the lake's waves. Number 12. Nkhata Bay Wildlife Reserve. In central Malawi, Nkhata Wildlife Reserve stretches across more than 1,800 square kilometers of miombo woodland and river valleys. For years, it was one of Malawi's lesser-known reserves, but today it's experiencing a revival. Nkhata made international headlines when conservation organizations undertook one of the largest elephant relocations in history, moving hundreds of elephants into the reserve to restore its wildlife population. Now, visitors can see herds of elephants roaming freely alongside buffalo, antelope, and a growing number of predators. What sets Nkhata apart is its sense of raw wilderness. It's not a polished safari park, it's wild and untamed. Lodges here focus on ecotourism, offering guided walks and canoe safaris that bring you close to nature in ways that feel intimate and respectful. Nkhata is both a conservation success story and a chance for travelers to witness a landscape returning to life. Number 11. Cape Maclear, Chembe Village. At the southern end of Lake Malawi lies Cape Maclear, one of the lake's most beloved destinations. Here the lake transforms into a playground. Crystal clear waters invite snorkeling and kayaking, revealing the vibrant cichlid fish for which the lake is world famous. These colourful fish, found only in Lake Malawi, make the water shimmer like a living rainbow. Cape Maclear is also home to Chembe Village, where local life flows with the lake's rhythm. Fishermen haul in nets at dawn, children splash in the shallows, and women prepare meals over open fires. Walking through the village offers a chance to connect with Malawians in their daily routines. Cape Maclear combines natural beauty with cultural immersion, creating a destination that feels both lively and deeply human. Number 10. Blantyre. Malawi's commercial hub, Blantyre, is a bustling city with a rich historical backdrop. Blantyre was named after the Scottish hometown of explorer David Livingstone, and its roots are tied to missionary endeavours. Landmarks like the Mandala House, Malawi's oldest building, tell stories of those early days. Today, Blantyre is alive with commerce and culture. Its streets are filled with shops, markets, and restaurants offering everything from traditional Nsima dishes to international fare. The city is also a cultural melting pot, home to both Malawians and a diverse expatriate community. Though often overlooked as a transit hub, Blantyre rewards visitors with its mix of history, energy, and a gateway to the southern highlands. Number 9. Liwonde National Park. Perhaps Malawi's most famous safari destination, Liwonde National Park sits along the Shire River and offers some of the best wildlife experiences in the country. The Shire River flows through the park, drawing elephants, hippos, and crocodiles to its banks. Taking a boat safari here is magical. You drift along as herds of elephants wade into the water, hippos grunt from the shallows, and fish eagles swoop overhead. On land, Liwonde is home to lions, cheetahs, antelope, and black rhinos, thanks to ongoing conservation efforts. The park's relatively small size makes sightings more concentrated, providing an intimate safari experience compared to larger parks elsewhere in Africa. Liwonde blends accessibility, beauty, and wildlife density, making it a must-visit for any traveller to Malawi. Number 8. Mount Mulanje. Known as the island in the sky, Mount Mulanje is Malawi's highest peak, rising to 3,002 meters. It dominates the landscape with rugged cliffs, deep valleys, and waterfalls that glisten under the sun. Mulanje is a hiker's dream. Trails wind through tea plantations at its base, up into forests of cedar and pine, and onto open plateaus with panoramic views. Climbers can tackle Sapitwa Peak, the highest point, which offers both challenge and reward. For locals, Mulanje is more than a mountain. It's a place of legends and spiritual significance. Stories abound of spirits and mysteries tied to its slopes, adding a cultural depth to its natural grandeur. Mount Mulanje offers not just physical adventure, but also a journey into Malawi's spiritual landscape. Number 7. Mua Mission. Cultural heritage finds its strongest voice at Mua Mission, located near Dedza. Founded by Catholic missionaries, Mua is today home to the Congoni Center, which preserves and promotes Malawian cultural traditions. Its museum is filled with masks, carvings, and exhibits that explain the rituals and histories of Malawi's diverse ethnic groups. The mission also serves as a training ground for local artists, producing wood carvings and crafts renowned throughout Malawi. Visitors can watch artisans at work and purchase unique, meaningful souvenirs. Mua Mission is more than a stop. It is a cultural immersion, bridging Malawi's past, present, and future. Number 6. Nyika National Park. In Malawi's remote north lies Nyika National Park, a place unlike anywhere else in Africa. Nyika's landscapes resemble the Scottish highlands more than typical African savannas. Rolling grasslands stretch into the horizon, dotted with wildflowers and interspersed with pockets of forest. The scenery alone makes the journey worthwhile. Eland, roan antelope, zebra, and leopards roam the park. But what makes Nyika special is its sense of solitude. Few visitors make it here, meaning you can explore vast areas without another soul in sight. Nyika is a place of tranquility and unique beauty, offering a safari experience with a distinctly Malawian twist. 5. Chongoni Rock Art Area. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Chongoni Rock Art Area near Dedza contains some of Africa's most significant prehistoric art. The site features over 100 rock art locations, with paintings created by hunter-gatherers and later farming communities. The images depict animals, rituals, and abstract patterns, offering a glimpse into the spiritual lives of Malawi's ancestors. What makes Chongoni particularly powerful is that some of its traditions persist today. Rituals tied to initiation, fertility, and agriculture are still practiced in the area, connecting the ancient past with the living present. For visitors, Chongoni is both an archaeological treasure and a spiritual encounter with Malawi's deep cultural roots. Number 4. Karonga. At Malawi's far north, near the shores of Lake Malawi, lies Karonga, a town that blends history, culture, and prehistory. The highlight here is the Cultural and Prehistoric Museum, which houses the remains of Malawi's own dinosaur, the Malawisaurus. Fossils, artifacts, and exhibits trace the region's story from prehistory to modern times. Karonga also offers beautiful, less touristed beaches along Lake Malawi's northern reaches. Here, life feels slower and more intimate, with fishing villages offering warm welcomes to visitors. Karonga is where Malawi's story stretches back millions of years, yet remains deeply tied to the rhythms of the lake today. Number 3. Vuaza Marsh Wildlife Reserve. Close to Nyika, the Vuaza Marsh is a wildlife reserve known for its large herds of elephant and plentiful hippos. The reserve is dominated by wetlands and Lake Kazuni, where animals congregate to drink. Hippos bellow from the water, crocodiles bask on the banks, and bird life abounds in staggering diversity. Vuaza is less developed than Liwonde, which gives it an authentic, rustic feel. Safaris here are raw and immersive, with fewer vehicles and a greater sense of closeness to nature. Vuaza offers travelers an off-the-beaten-path safari, rich in wildlife and atmosphere. Number 2. Nkhata Bay. Bustling yet laid back, Nkhata Bay is the cultural heart of northern Lake Malawi. Nkhata Bay's shoreline is dotted with lodges and hostels, making it a hub for travelers seeking both relaxation and interaction. The lake is perfect here for swimming, kayaking, and snorkeling among the cichlids. What sets Nkhata Bay apart is its vibrant community. The town buzzes with energy, craft markets, reggae beats, and lively bars where travelers and locals mingle freely. Nkhata Bay is more than a destination. It's an experience of connection, where Malawi's famed warmth shines brightest. Number 1. Lake Malawi National Park. At the very heart of the country lies Lake Malawi National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the ultimate symbol of Malawi. The park protects a section of the lake and its surrounding areas, safeguarding the unique cichlid fish that have made the lake famous worldwide. Snorkeling here is like diving into a living kaleidoscope of colour. The park includes beautiful islands such as Domwe and Mumbo, both offering eco-lodges that provide a true wilderness meets luxury experience. Sandy beaches, clear waters, and forested trails make it a paradise for both adventure and relaxation. For Malawians, the lake is more than water. It is life, heritage, and identity. To stand on its shores, watching fishermen paddle against the sunrise, is to touch the heart of Malawi itself. Lake Malawi National Park embodies everything the country represents: natural beauty, cultural depth, and timeless serenity. Malawi may be small, but it holds multitudes. From the towering slopes of Mulanje to the calm waters of Nkhata Bay, from the prehistoric echoes of Chongoni to the living vibrancy of Liwonde, it offers journeys that are both grand and intimate. What sets Malawi apart is not just its attractions, but its soul. This is a country where travelers are not just observers, but participants, sharing meals, stories, and smiles with some of the friendliest people in Africa. So when you seek Africa's wild beauty without the crowds, and when you want a journey that touches not just your eyes, but also your heart, remember Malawi, the warm heart of Africa, waiting to embrace you.